Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create fun learning activities for kids. Our activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. My name is Rachel, and in today's activity, we will be learning about perimeters with polygons. We will also be working through perimeters in word problems. Now, let's get started. Before we begin to learn what the perimeter of a polygon is, first we need to look at what is a polygon. A polygon is a shape with 3 or more straight sides that are all connected to each other. For example, a triangle, a pentagon, and an octagon are all polygons. Polygons can also be called regular or irregular. Polygons where all the sides are the same length are called regular polygons and can look like this. Polygons where the sides are different lengths are called irregular. They could look like this. This shape here be regular or irregular? Regular, very good. And this shape here, would it be irregular or regular? Irregular. Perfect. So what is a perimeter? A perimeter is the total length around a shape. With a polygon, it's all the sides added together. Let's look at an example. Here I have this notebook. For this, I'll measure each side of the notebook and then add together all the sides that I get. That is the perimeter. Let's look at another example. Here we have a triangle. This triangle has one side that is 4 centimeters long, another side that's 3 centimeters long, and then another side that is 5 centimeters long. To find the perimeter of this triangle, or the length around the triangle, we need to add together all the sides of this triangle. So we have 4 plus 3 plus 5. Now, what does that equal? We can also do 4 plus 3, that's 7, plus 5 is another way to add these together. So, what's 7 plus 5? That's it, 12. Both of these are 12. And so our perimeter is 12 centimeters. Let's take a look at an example with even more sides. Here we have a shape with 8 sides. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A polygon with 8 sides is called an octagon. Now, the lengths of the sides of this octagon are different, and so it's an irregular octagon. Now, to find the perimeter of this octagon, we'll need to add together all the sides of this shape. So we have 1 plus another 1, and one more 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 2. And these are all in inches. So, what's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? That's 4. Plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 2 is 15. And so, this octagon's perimeter is 15 inches. I have a question I've been trying to solve. My school bus goes on a route from the school to different bus stops around town and then back to the school. The bus the route takes looks like this. I know this bus travels a total of 15 miles on this route, and I know all these distances between the different stops except between stop 4 and the school. Can you help me find this missing distance? Awesome! We know that the perimeter is all of the sides of a shape added together. In this case, we're trying to find an unknown side given the total perimeter. So first, let's add together the sides that we already know. We have 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. What does that equal? Well, 4 plus 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7, plus 3 equals 10. So for the route of the bus from the school to stop 3 is 10 miles. But we know that the total perimeter that the bus will travel is 15 miles. And we only have one side where we don't know how many miles it is. So what is the difference between 15 miles and 10 miles? Let's write that down. What is the difference? So 15 minus 10. That's 5 miles. Good job. And so 5 miles is the distance between stop 4 and the school. Thank you so much for helping me with that problem. Could you help me with one more problem I have? You can? Yay! I'm trying to put a garden in my backyard. I want an area of 18 feet. The area is the amount inside the perimeter. I need to put a fence around the perimeter of the garden. However, this fence is expensive, and so I want to find a shape with the smallest perimeter. I have 2 designs here. Here are the 2 designs for my garden written on the whiteboard. One option has a length of 9 feet by 2 feet. The other option has a length of 3 feet by 6 feet. Now notice that both of these options have the same area. Remember, area is base times height. When we do the multiplication of the base times the height for each of these, notice that 2 times 9 equals 18, and that 3 times 6 also equals 18. So both of these areas are the same. Now let's find the perimeter of each of these designs. So since these are rectangles, we know that if one side equals a length, then the side across from it also equals that same length. And so this side will be 9 and this side will be 2. As for this option, this will be 3 and this will be 6. Now we know all of our side lengths and we can find the perimeter. So for option 1, we have 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9. So what is 2 plus 9? 11. Plus, what's 2 plus 9? Also 11. What is 11 plus 11? 22. So the perimeter of option 1 is 22 feet. Now let's find the perimeter of option 2. We have 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6. And these are all in feet. Now, what is 3 plus 6? You're right, that's 9. And then what is 3 plus 6 again? 9. What is 9 plus 9? You're right, 18. And this is in feet. So the perimeter of option 2 is 18 feet. Now, which option had the smaller perimeter? You're right, option 2. Now, it's important that even though both of these had the same area, that their perimeters were different. Thank you so much for helping me with this problem. To review what we have learned, a polygon is a shape with 3 or more straight sides that are connected. A polygon can be regular, where all the sides are the same length, or irregular, where all the sides are different lengths. The perimeter is the length of all the sides of a shape together. You can find the perimeter by adding together all the sides of a shape. The area of 2 shapes can be the same, but their perimeters can be different. Lastly, the perimeters of two shapes can be the same, and their areas can be different. Thank you for learning with America Reads today. That is all for today's lesson. We hope you come back and learn some more. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments down below, and also remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And we will be back with more videos soon.